my land here, even I need to bring you 400 pounds. Okay, no problem. And I said, every week, start to take 100 pounds.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start from next week. I said, don't take from my holiday money, fucking hell.
Yeah.
No, I can't if I need to. I said, do you know what? Okay, take it. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. And he heard me very well because I said to him, take his fucking out. Anyway, now Johnny, I helped him because when he took the stuff, he stopped and he dropped it. How is Tottenham Court? And he dropped the stuff outside, and he lost the traffic shit. And